Hi, I'm here from ViaTerra, and today we are going back to the basics and talk about a few things that you can do to improve the life of your motorcycle riding jacket. Being mindful about how you care and store your riding gear can ensure that it serves you better and for a longer duration. The first step is to always air out your riding jacket after every ride, whether it's a regular commute, a weekend, or a long day of touring. Riding a motorcycle is an active exercise, and there is bound to be some level of moisture in your jacket at the end of a ride. Hanging your jacket in a shaded but well ventilated area will allow it to dry and prevent the buildup of bacteria and mold. Whenever you are hanging your riding jacket, be aware of the fact that the fabrics of your riding jacket have to carry the weight of the armors that are held within it. Using a broader hanger, like a coat hanger, similar to what is used for suits and blazers, will provide more support to the garment. Connect the main zipper at the bottom, but do not zip it all the way up so that the inner side of the jacket can dry nicely. If you do not have access to a hanger, it is usually better to place your jacket on a flat surface with the front opened out so that a large part of the inner side of the jacket airs out really well. If required, you can flip it over to dry the other areas. It's a good idea to dust your jacket regularly, and if you notice specific patches of dirt on your jacket, you can clean those with a moist cloth or a soft bristled brush. Of course, you'll also need to periodically wash your riding jacket thoroughly. If you'd like to know more about how to wash your riding gear and how often you should do this, I invite you to watch our video on how to wash your ViaTerra riding jacket, which is linked in the description below. Now, coming back to day-to-day care, we also recommend periodically examining the zippers of your jacket, the large main zipper as well as the small ones on the pockets. You can use a soft brush like an old toothbrush to clean the zipper tracks to remove dust, dirt or grime. That will ensure that the zipper functions are smooth and prevent damage. You can also use wax or silicone zipper lube to lubricate the zipper from time to time. Now let's talk about storage. The ideal way to store your riding jacket is on a broad hanger with a ventilated cover similar to what was provided along with your riding jacket at the time of purchase. If you use your riding jacket often, for example every day or every other week, you can store it with the armors in place. However, if you only use your jacket once in a few months, we recommend removing the armors and storing them separately so that there is less weight in the jacket. Similarly, if you prefer to store your riding jacket folded, then you should remove the armors before folding the jacket to prevent any damage to the armors. As a rule of thumb, while all the armors used in ViaTerra jackets have a significant level of flexibility, these are not designed to be folded or bent beyond the limits of regular body movements. Always make sure that your ViaTerra riding jacket is completely dry before putting it into storage. We also do not recommend using any kind of sealed storage unless you are certain that your jacket is completely dry, as this could cause mold to build up on the inside and consequent deterioration of fabric and materials. If you have any questions about how to care for or store your ViaTerra riding jacket, feel free to reach out to our customer care team by email or by WhatsApp, or simply visit our website viaterragear.com. Until then, here's wishing you many safe miles with your awesome ViaTerra riding gear. Do let us know what you thought of this video in the comments below.